we're at my uncle's house for a birthday party, and so I just found another one. It's a Daikin, and it's a very high efficiency air conditioner. There you go. Actually recording with my mom's iPhone because sorry, you can still hear a little music, and so it's a high efficiency air conditioner. It's running right now. Here's the Mitsubishi Electric Smart air conditioner. Here's my brother. And I'll get a video of this one soon. Ow. And here's the data tag. Model number RKD50BVM. And serial number E010867. It's from 2001. Liquid line is cold and sweaty. And suction line is cold and sweaty. So that's good. There you go. It's got a Daikin compressor. And here's the Daikin. It's an inverter air conditioner. And here's the coils. It's pretty much dirty. Here's the back of it. There you go. And very quiet air conditioner. There's the Fujitsu air conditioner like I just recorded earlier. And it's very quiet. It's a 5-ton. And thanks you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Daikin air conditioner.